What's up everybody? Welcome back to DisLyfeOfOurs. Today we're going to be doing a totally different video. I'm going to actually be doing my makeup for you guys. I'm actually trying to do a inspired Disney look. You know the parks are opening next week, so I'm kind of excited. Woo! So I'm not sure which princess I want to do yet. I have a couple that I was going to choose from. Have some ears over here to match. So I need you guys to stay tuned and follow along. All right guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with foundation because my face is already primed. I put on some primer and a little powder, and now I'm gonna actually use some foundation. No, not this powder, I already used that one. Let's see, I had, let me see, with the beauty blender. Okay, we got foundation. So we're gonna put this on the sponge and we're gonna dab it on the face. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit on there on the end, and we're just gonna like put it on there and like blend it all in and stuff, really nice. Okay, yeah. The lips are great. I'm going to get the cheeks. Awesome. I'm just gonna close the eyes so that way we can get a whole even complexion here. Okay, we're just gonna keep dabbing. Nice. Okay, got a lot of foundation on the lips, kind of like getting it primed for lipstick for tonight's date. All right, so what we're gonna do is use some under eye concealer, because we're gonna like get rid of these bags that I have, you know, because I've been staying up really late, watching Law and Order and just loving it. So we're gonna go and shake it up, shake it, shake, shake it, shake, shake it, shake, shake it, shake. We're gonna lightly put it underneath the eyes. It's just a couple little drops. Yeah, the cheek will work too. That's pretty good. Okay, got a little on the forehead. Go on and get that little nice shine. Okay, we're gonna take the beauty blender and we're gonna blend this out. So we're gonna lightly dab it under the eyes, blend it all in. Okay, I think I'm starting to look beautiful. I'm getting there, getting this color back in the face. I've been hiding out in the house, guys. I've been trying to stay away from the sun. Whoa. Okay, let's blend in a little bit better. That's starting to look good. Okay, so now we're gonna take some eyeshadow. That's what we're gonna use next. We're gonna use eyeshadow, and we're gonna use this brush that I have from Morphe right here. Yep, that's the eyeshadow. Yep, I'm gonna use this palette. No, I guess I'm gonna use the lipstick now. Guess we'll start off, oh no. Okay, yeah, we're gonna use that eyeshadow right there. That's perfect. We're gonna use, these are like beautiful colors. Okay. And we're gonna grab, see this right here? We got these pretty colors. Beautiful, nice. So we're gonna take this brush over here, this little Morphe brush. Right to the left. Okay, I'm gonna grab to the right. Yeah, I'm gonna get the little brush down. Yep, that was perfect. Perfect. Yep, we're gonna just lightly tap one color. And we're gonna lightly put this on as a base on the eyes, on the eyelids. We're gonna go a little bit closer to the eyes. I guess we're doing the eyebrows. I just decided to do the eyebrows instead. All right, gonna get these eyebrows nice. Yeah, these eyebrows are gonna be on fleek, baby. Oh yeah, this is a nice date. Okay, yeah, now we're gonna do the eyes. It's perfect. Oh yeah. Okay, go a little bit more on the eyes. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna put, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking. Oh yeah, get the eyebrow, baby. Get that eyebrow. Yeah, I've been meaning to get these eyebrows done. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, wow. Okay, so, let's go on and, let's get the highlighter. And what we're gonna do, okay, never mind, we're gonna do the blush. That's cool. Oh, never mind, we got the highlight palette. Okay. We're gonna get a brush. That's, no, we don't want the eyeshadow brush. We're gonna get a different brush. We're gonna go over here. No, yeah. Right there, over. We're gonna grab this brush. No, that's makeup. Let me see. What am I doing? I'm a little off today. Okay, we're gonna grab this big giant blush brush and we're gonna use it for highlights. We're gonna put some highlights on the cheeks, like really up underneath the eyes a little bit. Oh yeah. We'll put a little more on the other side. A little bit over the eyebrow. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, like eyeshadow. Make it nice and sparkly. You'll see me all night. Oh yeah, you're gonna see me from the moon, baby. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm feeling it. That's nice. Okay, real nice. That's looking great. Okay, so we're gonna take, we can use that same brush and we're gonna get the, yeah, the contour. So, yeah, we're gonna contour. We're gonna contour this face, guys. We gotta give it some dimension because if not, it's just gonna be flat and we don't want flat. So we're gonna like contour the forehead and like the cheeks, like, you know, when you smile, you go like from the ear to the middle part of your cheek and then you stop. And then like your chin area, because you want to make sure like, kind of like you have a beard, but you don't have a beard because you're gonna blend it really well. So, okay. So perfect. Then I'm gonna get the forehead. Okay, let's not forget the bridge of the nose because that makes your nose, you know, you gotta have a snatched nose. That's the eyelash, okay. Just bronze up the eyelashes. Okay, nice. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take some blush and we're gonna get a blush brush. Okay, we'll just use the brush for everything. This is called a multi-purpose brush. Okay, we'll use the eyeshadow brush for some blush. We'll use another eyeshadow brush, but it still does the duty. Oh, there we go, we got the blush brush. Okay, so we're gonna open up this palette and we're gonna like hit these colors and put them on these cheeks. Yeah, the apples of the cheeks. Ooh, let's put a little blush on that tip of the nose, give you that little anime look. Okay. Yep, let's do a little extra. Oh yeah, I'm starting to look like a Barbie doll, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, ooh, Barbie doll. Barbie doll. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some eyeliner. Let's see. No, we're not gonna use those brushes. We're gonna just keep reaching over. Yeah, we're gonna grab. Oh, okay. We'll just take the lipstick then. We're gonna keep getting some eyeliner. Oh, hold on. That's a brush. I don't know what I'm thinking. No, we're gonna just go over and grab the eyeliner. I had a long day at work today, guys. It was just a long, hectic day. Hold on, we're almost there. Yeah, right there. That's perfect. Right there. No, that's the lipstick. Yeah, down. We're gonna grab. No, that's the brush. I don't know what I'm doing today. Okay, so we're gonna grab the eyeliner over this way. Yeah, no. Down. I have anger problems. Okay, we're just gonna forget it. We're just gonna use the lipstick. Oh yeah, we got the eyeliner. So we're gonna lightly put the eyeliner after we take off that little cap right there on top. And we're gonna give, I think I'm gonna do some cat eyes tonight. And we're gonna lightly put the eyeliner across the top lid and we're gonna draw it up towards, say like the corner of my outer eye, and we're gonna give it that cat eye, okay? We're gonna do it. Oh yeah, that feels perfect. Go down a little bit more. Yeah, see I have those wings. Look at those wings, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take this lipstick over here. This brush just wants to be used today. I don't know what the heck is going on with this brush. It's just like crazy. No, not the brush. We're gonna, yep, on the other side. Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah. So I figured I was gonna use this pretty splash color because I like the name Splash. I don't know if you guys seen that movie. It's a pretty good movie. But we're gonna, now this lipstick is a dry matte lipstick, so you have to be very careful and just lightly like put it on your mouth because it dries like instantly and it's like, you're gonna have to put like a gloss or something over it. But we're just gonna put this on, okay? Oh yeah. And you just kind of add a little extra around the outer part just to give you that full definition of lips. Oh yeah, see how I have the plump lips going on? These are what you call kissable lips. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think it's perfect. Ooh, okay. So now we got the highlights. Okay, so the last thing to do is we got to get this powder. And what we're going to do is we're going to have to powder the face. Actually, you're supposed to probably powder the face before you did the lipstick, but you know what? It's my face. I can go and do whatever order I want and how I want. So we're going to like hold on, let me lean up and grab this powder. Oh, goodness. Okay, perfect. Now, this is a setting powder that just sets everything, right? No, not the lipstick. I think I felt like I need a little bit more lipstick. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, oh yeah, this is looking great. I could already tell. So we're gonna take this this setting spray and we are going to set the face, and after we set the face, we are going to let the face dry because you know it has to be perfect because this has to last all day. I have to go to Magic Kingdom, guys. I am so excited that the park is opening back up next week and I need this makeup to last all day for all those photo ops while I'm there because it's been a minute. Look at that, I'm ready for these pictures. All right, so we're gonna grab this setting spray over here. It's in the corner. Perfect, and then we're gonna grab a little fan. Oh yeah. Okay, so make sure you guys close your eyes on this because this is like, you can get it all over the place, so hold on. This is how you do it. So I can definitely say that I feel like this is all set in place and this is not going anywhere. So I need you guys to comment below and tell me who your favorite princess is or your favorite character, you know, whatever. My favorite is Belle and I was going for this Belle look, so I hope that you guys are satisfied with it and you guys followed along and you're able to complete this look on your next adventure to Magic Kingdom. Let me grab the ears and put the ears on to match. 1 second, let me grab the ears. Oh yeah. Oh, please tell me that this look is not complete. Okay, so let's take a look at this finished product. Right there, perfect. Let's open this up. I just have difficulties with things today. I'm speechless. Man, let me tell you something though. This eyeliner is on fleek, boy. This eyeliner is nice. I got the cat eyes going on. You cannot lose me at Magic Kingdom when I go next week. Lord help me. Guys, don't forget to give this 2 thumbs up, please. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And until next time, bye!
Bye.